In this video, we're going to show you our way to cook vegetable broth. It can be used in a lot of recipes to replace water. It will add so much flavor to your dishes and take them to the next level. If you have never tried to make your own stock before, we highly recommend you to give it a shot. It's definitely worth the effort it takes to make. We're going to use onions, carrots, and celery as our main ingredients, plus some garlic, spring onion, thyme, and parsley for flavor. You can also collect the scraps, like onion peels, carrot peels, and then freeze them until you have enough to make a broth. First, we're going to chop everything up. For the onions, we will chop them into quarters, and for the garlic, chop them into halves. Once they are chopped, toss with oil and roast these vegetables for 10 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Instead of fully cooking the vegetables, we're just using high temperature to roast them for a short time to caramelize the surface. Roasting them beforehand will add flavor and richness. At this point, it smells so great. Transfer the vegetables into a stock pot and cover with hot water. Add the rest of the ingredients and herbs to the pot and season with black pepper. We're not going to add any salt to this broth since the liquid will be reduced later on, so we're just going to keep the broth neutral, unsalty. Mix everything well and bring it to a boil. Cover with the lid and turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's take a look. The liquid has reduced to about half, and the whole kitchen is full of this nice vegetable aroma. All the vegetables have now become really tender and have fully released their flavor. We're going to strain them out. To store the broth, I usually pour it into an ice cube tray. Once they freeze, it can easily be stored in a sealed bag and can last for a very long time. It'll be so easy to adjust how much you need for whatever particular recipe. Voila, that's the vegetable broth recipe. It's super easy to make. We absolutely love to cook with it, which makes the food taste amazing. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for our future recipes.